Here is tank number 2. I've just started on the refabrication of it. I don't know that refabrication is the right word. I'm simply just putting a glass plate in the middle. But in order to do that, I have to clean it up some. This used to have a big black top around the top of it. I like the look better without the black top. So I've taken the black top off, and you can see there's little bits of silicone all over the place. And you can see inside of that trash can down there, lots of silicone. All that stringy stuff is silicone. The silicone, I want this silicone to stay because it's good. But there was all kinds of silicone up here holding the black top on. So that's the first step in this job, is to take that top off of there and get the top all cleaned up. And you know, it gets me to thinking about how we are vessels, right? What's a vessel's job? A vessel's job is to hold liquid, right? To contain a thing. And if a vessel is leaking, well, then it's not working very well. But if a vessel does not provide drink for whoever's vessel it is, if I've got a cup and I fill it up with water, and when I go to drink from it and it doesn't provide me with the water that I want, that also is no good. The water has to go exactly where I want it to go, with exactly the amount that I want it to go there. Nothing more, nothing less. Why am I talking about all this stuff? Well, I can't help but get to thinking. You know what I'm going to say? It's a joy to get to thinking about the Father while I'm doing my daily tasks. Praying without ceasing. Considering His ways. Considering His work. The silicone that I pulled off of the top of here, it acts as a seal. And I'm taking it off. Seems like a bad thing, right? Why would you want a seal to be taken off? Well, I don't want a seal right there. I want a seal somewhere else. And it gets me to thinking about when I was younger. I'm not going to give you a full testimony here, but when I was younger, I was a hippie. Dreadlocks, running around the East Coast, selling marijuana, LSD, all kinds of drugs, getting myself into trouble and having all kinds of fun doing it, but using my life in ways that was not suitable for the vessel that the Lord gave me to protect and to keep and to use for His services. And you know what? I had seals back when I was a youngster, acting a fool. I had things that were sealed up inside of me that I wouldn't talk about, and all kinds of other things that I would talk about. And just like this fish tank that I'm restoring, the Father took out my old, dead seals, and He replaced those seals with good seals. Seals that move His water exactly where He wants it. And that's truly an honor. That's the first step here in this fish tank rebuild. I'll probably be giving you guys more updates as I put a plate right here in the middle, and I get that put in properly this time. I'm probably going to put in actually multiple braces, glass braces along the top to strengthen this 4-foot wide tank, and then stocking it with plants and fish. I hope you guys will come back and enjoy more videos, and thanks for being here. The Father bless the work of your hands.